And there's our campsite right there. Man, it is a pretty day. And look at this little cove.
Woo!
You having fun at the beach? Oh, got that one. So there's a little PSA. Do not dump your gray tanks right there. If anyone's watching, I wear a size 1-ton pickup truck. Just if you're curious. So it is Monday, Memorial Day, and it's a beautiful day. 85 degrees. We're at the beach. We actually tried to go to the main beach. This is the campground beach, but the main beach was full. It was actually literally full. They closed it ahead of police officer there redirecting traffic. But we are all set up at the campground beach for the afternoon, and Carly's playing in the sand. And we got the sand, we got the little tent up, you got the paddleboard up. I'm gonna try the paddleboard for the first time, so that'll be fun. Hopefully I don't fall, but it is pretty windy. There's a little bit of chop out there, but check this out. Super pretty day. And there's our campsite right there. You can actually see it right over there. See the little beach area off of our campsite. So this is kind of cool. It's a nice looking beach area. It's a nice day outside. So nice. I think once we leave Ohio and start traveling full-time for a few years next year, like this year, we have to stay local obviously because I still work in Columbus. But we are definitely going to be switching more to a remote side of things. But I think once we start traveling and we come back to visit family, I think it needs to be in basically middle of the summer, basically. I don't like cold. This is nice. It's 85 degrees. It's like a perfect temperature. It's a beautiful day outside. I think like June, July, August are the months that we need to visit Ohio. Because the weather can get really pretty. Look at the beach. So nice. I decided to actually paddle out here a little bit. I was trying to see if I could figure out where the actual main beach was, because like I said, it was closed. I think it's actually over there. I can see what may look like some sand. I'm not quite sure though, but man, it is a pretty day. And look at this little cove. That is nice. You can't even see the beach, it's over there. Hopefully Lauren's not worried about where I am.
Are you getting it, Dad?
Somewhat.
Hey!
Not bad.
Woo!
It's not stable.
No, it's not.
Heads up, I'm gonna crash into a mom. It's not bad though. It's actually not that hard to stand up.
Yeah. Say hi, Carly.
Hey, Carly, you having fun at the beach? I did the paddleboard. I did stand up successfully a couple times. It's pretty hard to balance, but I did kind of half fall in. Now Mom's about to fall in. I half fell in. Now Mom's trying the paddleboard again. The beach is starting to get busier now. It must be the after dinner people or the people that are coming here to make dinner. Carly is really enjoying the beach. Aren't you, babies? You having fun? Oh, here goes Mom. Hey, you might want to go a little further. This is not deep enough.
I know, I'm trying.
Here.
Got it. Ah!
You're gonna fall.
Hey, I'm standing.
This is like a foot deep.
That's why I'm standing and doing it over here.
It's a bad idea. You fall, you're gonna hit ground. Whoa! Carly, Mommy's gonna fall. Uh-oh. You're making backwards progress. See how long before she falls. Oh! Oh, got that one. She's all right, honey. Yep, Mom fell in. Same thing when I like half fell in. Carly like does not like it. She thinks we got hurt or something. So Carly's getting deeper than she was before though. Look at how far in she's going. Carly loves the paddleboard. She likes the paddleboard a lot more than she does the kayaks. I think it's because she can actually touch the water a little bit. She likes splashing her legs. She actually really likes the paddleboard.
I don't ever take her that far out either.
She really likes it. And she just got on the paddleboard by herself, which is kind of fun. So we got all cleaned up here at the beach. We're gonna head back and make some hamburgers. But I'm pretty happy with this little cart we just got. We'll have to do like a little mini review on it, but it is an Ozark Trail little folding utility cart. I don't know. It's super nice. But look at that.
Yeah.
It's got these little pockets, and this is actually the bag that it zips up into. But
it was life-changing.
it was nice to be able to take the stuff from the car right down there to the beach. Now, this beach is really close, but on a bigger beach that you actually have to walk a little while,
Well, the beach
this is going to be so nice.
was really far away from the parking lot.
I know. But this little cart we got, it was only 50 bucks, and it's super nice, and it folds down real small. I'll show you it all folded up, but it's really cool. So I got the cart all folded up. Check this out. Look how small it folds down to. Nice. Very nice. I think that's going to be very useful, especially considering we're going to be at Disney and stuff this year. So that's cool. I really like this. Hey, for 50 bucks, not bad. A very good morning, everybody. So unfortunately, the time has come to leave this site by the water. We have been here for 2 weeks. Very much liked our time here. We are definitely going to have to get this site again, because man, it's so nice to just be able to walk right down to the water. We had so much fun here hanging out with the Confers, hanging out with Kevin and Tracy. We went kayaking, paddleboarding. You know, Kevin caught lots of fish here with us. It was so much fun. It was great. It's great to just be able to literally walk straight down from the trailer right to the water. And this, it's just so nice. But unfortunately, we are going to get packed up and head on to Deer Creek. Deer Creek has a really nice beach, and we're camping with some family, so that will be fun. Then we're going to go to a KOA in Buckeye Lake. It's a place I have very nice memories of as a kid. We went there all of the time. So, and then we're going to some awesome places in July. So, and I hope this winter is going to kind of kickstart us crossing the country. So, yeah, we got lots of plans, but let's get this stuff packed up. Got everything packed up. So, there's a little PSA. Do not dump your gray tanks right there. That's not a dump station. Yeah, please don't do that. So I know a bigger truck's not in the bucket right now, but, well, it's a little full. We're at the edge of that truck's limits. So, you know. Hey, so with it being just past my birthday and all, if anyone's watching, I wear a size 1-ton pickup truck. Just if you're curious. Christmas is coming up in a little while too. I'm not picky. Gas or diesel would work just fine.
I'm amazed you picked Christmas over Father's Day.
Oh yeah, Father's Day is coming up, man. If you want to wrap them all into one 1-ton pickup truck, that's what I need.
No one is buying you a 1-ton pickup truck. So we're cleaning up in here. I'm getting Carly's room ready.
Hey, birthday, Father's Day, and Christmas. Heck, you can even roll next year's into it.
Oh,
I mean,
can?
all of them. All of
So
them.
what if I wanted to get you one?
We can't afford that.
Definitely can't afford that right now. But, so I got Carl, how I take her room down for travel days is all of her stuff gets put on, organized on the floor, even though it doesn't look like I promise it is. I take all of her stuff, put it on the floor, and then this goes on her bed with her books. I'm going to stack her books because I need to finish cleaning that. And then, yeah, what's next? And then Biscuit goes in his little travel carrier with us in the car. Please don't travel with your pets in a travel trailer, please, please, please. While you're on the road. Pretty sure that's illegal, too. And then I'm going to do the dishes because the dishes need done. Can't believe I'm showing you the sink. And then we're taking all this stuff down, coffee maker, everything. And then my plants just go in Carly's bath. And then I'm not even gonna bother making the bed today because we have to do the sheets and laundry. So we desperately need a reset day. And don't do what we do and do like a whole month on full hookup. Or sorry, a month without full hookup. Because then you're really behind.
And just like that, 2 weeks has gone by. What an awesome site. So we'll definitely be back. We actually found another site that we really like in the back of the campground that we're definitely trying next year. Let's get one last look at this. That's going to be hard to beat in Ohio. I can't wait to get down to Florida this winter. That's going to be amazing. Going down to the Keys this winter. But oh my gosh, what a beautiful site. Got everything put away. We are going to head out, go to Deer Creek State Park. The site will be missed. On to the next one. All right, let's have a conversation about dump stations. Please don't fill your freshwater tank using the sewer rinse hose. Their water filter is laying on the ground right next to the dump hole. I'm in agreement with Mark from Keep Your Daydream. If the water hose from the dump station can reach the potable water area, you don't fill your water there.
Nope.
It's just that this person is quite literally using the dump hose to fill their freshwater tank. As in the hose that people put down their sewer hose. PSA number 2, don't use your sewer rinse while you're at the dump station. You should be in and out as quickly as humanly possible. Don't sit there for 25 minutes using your black tank flush. Pull in, dump your and leave. Alrighty, so we got parked here at Deer Creek. I really like this campground, and we're gonna do a full tour video. But look at it, check out this campsite. It's freaking huge. Look at this. I'm gonna back up here so you guys can see it. Look at how big this campsite is. Check this out. It's such a big campsite. There's no other sites around us. There's not another site on the other side of us over there, and there is nothing over here. It's just all open. Carly's had fun running around. Carly's had a lot of fun here already, but we got parked, we got set up, got plugged in, and we are gonna have a blast here. But this site's pretty cool. Still only electric only, but that's okay. We're gonna get the bikes out and ride around and have some fun.